Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Luna Classic. Wanted to make a video today for two reasons. First of all, we have some major news today, even though... Excuse me, hopefully you don't mind too much. But my throat is still acting up. But no, today we have some major news in the October 31st burn. So we have a lot of burns, or we have a major burn. Coming up. Now, to be honest, I'm not completely sure how many or how much effect this is going to have. Right? I'm also not sure what the particularities are of the burn itself. I've heard quite a lot of conflicting stories about this. This is also, I mean, in general, Binance Square, I think, is one of the worst sources for any of this. But there's not much you can actually find about this. All right, so you can see that the TVL, this all has to do with the court case of TVL, right? So of the foundation behind it. But I'm not sure how much Luna Classic is actually going to be burned, if it's actually coming from circulating supply, right? Because a burn is technically bullish because it reduces the supply. Well, the demand hopefully today stays the same or goes up. So then the price goes up. That's what you want to see. But I'm not completely sure if these tokens are actually coming from the real circulating supply, so the supply that's really out there right now. And if that's not the case, we can still see bullish momentum regardless, right? I mean, Luna Classic has rallied because of news like this in the past quite often before. And what you can see right now is that if you look at the 8-hour volume, you can see that, for example, USTC and Luna Classic are both ranking very, very high in that. So I certainly do think that there's an opportunity here. But I also do very much think that you should be careful. So that's in general my thoughts on Luna Classic here. Looking at the technicals, this is quite interesting. On the 4-hour time frame, we actually already broke out. But the main structure that Luna Classic has been in since the 18th of June, so it's been a very long-lived structure so far, is this consolidation right here between 9,500 and then at the bottom right here 6,500. And what's interesting right now is that it actually looks like we are going to break above that. And purely technically, I mean, if we did not have the news kind of disturbing all of this, purely technically it looks like an amazing setup. You can see that the volume has increased since from like 25 million up to $62 million right now. There was also an open interest spike, and then we are getting that breakout with volume, all right? Breakout above 9,500 at the value area high right here as well. So technically that all looks very bullish. Now, will I trade this because of that? I'm not certain yet, all right? Like I said, on the 4-hour time frame, we have already broken out. No retest of 9,500 yet, and also not that much bullish momentum, I would say. So now what I'm waiting for is the 12-hour time frame, right? If the 12-hour time frame is actually able to close above 9,500 and we get another surge in either open interest or volume, then I think it's interesting, right? Because then we have a high time frame breakout, and like I said, 9,500 in my eyes at least is very much the level to break. So if we see that, right, if we actually get that 12-hour time frame close above that level and we see some sort of renewed momentum come in, whether that's volume or open interest, I don't mind, then I think that it's an opportunity to get up to this level right here between 11,000 and 12,000, which would be my first price target. As you can see historically, that's a very strong resistance level. So is it a possibility we get up there? Yes. But for now, honestly, I'm still cautious. I'm not buying Luna Classic yet. I'm not telling you yet that we will actually break out, because it really depends on those conditions. So keep your eyes on those. I will try to keep you updated on that as well. But for now, I think that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.